Oddly, SketchUp doesn't have a round corner tool. So if I want to have something to have rounded corners, I need to round them myself. So I'm going to start by getting the camera, and I'm going to go to a top view. And I'm going to draw myself a small square. It'll be quite small. So I'm going to make that 100 by 100. So it is very small. And to zoom in on it, I can click on the little magnifying glass, hold it over the shape, and roll the mouse wheel forward, and that will zoom in where that glass is. Now to make my rounded corners, I'm going to use squares and circles. So I'm going to click in a corner, and it's going to make me decide how big I want my rounds to be. I want quite big rounds, so I'm going to go for 20 by 20. And I can do the same thing in these corners. So 20 by 20, 20 by 20. Whoops, try that again. 20 by 20, and finally 20 by 20. What I do next is right in the corner I draw a circle, and I draw it up to the top of the line there. Now there is another way of doing it, which is using one of the arc tools here, and I can draw from the corner over to there and then down to there, and that will give me one type in that corner. Same thing here, down to there, then round to there, and that gives me another one there. Now once I've got these shapes, what I'm doing next is getting the rubber tool and doing some deleting. So I want to delete the outside of that line. If I click right in the corner where two lines meet, it'll delete both lines. So delete those out, take that one out, take those two out. Oops, only got one that time. Take those two out, take those two out, take those two out, take those two out. Oops, missed again. If I go back to a standard view of an isometric, I can sort of look down on it, and I can just drag it up, and now I've got a rounded cornered square. Or of course, if I undo that, I can use the offset tool to draw a line in. Now the reason I'm showing you this is if I go so far out, it gives me a nice round corner, but as I move away from the corners get smaller and smaller and smaller, and so in the end the only way the computer can work out when it gets too small is by crossing the lines. So if I wanted a much smaller centerpiece, I'd have to draw a different one of my own. There is a limit on how far you can go in with the offset tool, and I'm going to go in about 10. And again, same thing, select the top face. I want the move tool. It's alt click, make sure it's going up. I've gone to 20 there, and that then gives me a nice sloping sided rounded cornered square.